Hey, welcome back to Earth Notes. I'm Zach Myers. Today we're planting 3 different types of native flowers in my garden. We're planting Joe Pye weed, we're planting Foxglove Beardtongue, and we're also planting Cardinal flower. Let's get it. So the first plant we're going to plant is called Foxglove Beardtongue. It can be found in zones 3 through 8. It can reach a height of 2 to 5 feet. It blooms from May to July. It has a white to palish pink color, and it also can tolerate light shade and full sun. The next native plant is called Joe Pye weed. It is hardy from zones 3 through 9. It has a height from 4 to 7 feet. It blooms from mid to late summer, about July to September. It has a pinkish flower, and it can also tolerate full sun to partial shade. The last native plant we're going to plant today is called the Cardinal flower. It is hardy from zones 3 to 9. It has a height from 2 to 4 feet. It blooms from mid to late summer, about July to September. It has these beautiful red flowers, and it can tolerate full sun to partial shade. Alright, so this is what the garden looks like after the native plants have had some time to work their magic in the garden. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and also subscribe.